Hey there, crocheters! Have you ever loved the idea of a crochet-along, but didn't like the idea of having to keep up with the pace day after day or week after week to complete this project? Well, I might have the thing that's just for you. I'm really excited to finally share something that I've been working on with you, and it's a little bit different than what I normally do for my crochet-alongs. It's called the Mosaic Grannies Collection. So what is the Mosaic Grannies Collection? I am hosting a year-long crochet-along, and this is just a gentle, no-pressure thing. Every month from January to December 2026, I am featuring a different overlay mosaic crochet square that is crocheted from the center out. So projects like this Mosaic Hearts Granny Square, or this Starburst, or even this Ziggy-Zag that have already been featured on my website. And there's going to be some new ones as well. Instead of a big, fast-moving crochet-along, we're slowing things way down. Since each section is just one square a month, you can easily get that done in about a day or two and then just chill, work on other projects until the next month. Instead of a big, fast-moving project, we're slowing things way down. We'll be making one granny square per month. That's it. Each square is worked up in the round from the center out. The back side looks something like this. We're just using one color per row. And the easy overlay mosaic crochet technique you'll be able to pick up in no time. Many of you have already fallen in love with this technique, and I know you're going to like it in the center out as well. Each square is designed to be stash friendly, beginner friendly, and overwhelmed crocheter friendly. These will fit right into your already crazy busy life. And then by the end of the year, you will have 12 unique overlay mosaic crochet granny squares that you can put together as a blanket or pillow, bags, table runners, whatever inspires you. Are you new to mosaic crochet? Does this technique sound intimidating? Well, let me tell you, it is one of the more easier of the color work techniques, and I promise once you get started with the first square, you will be able to grasp it and really make all 12 of them. Many of these patterns were designed for the beginner mosaic crocheter, and a lot of them have step-by-step video tutorials as well as written instructions and charts as well. So I know with one of those methods, you'll be able to learn this in no time. So you can just crochet at your own pace, press rewind on the videos if you need to, and then just enjoy learning something new. So let's talk a little bit about how it's going to work. So like I said, once a month for 2026, I am featuring a different design. These patterns will be free to view on my ad-supported website, but if you're looking for something more ad-free, I do have an ebook that you can follow along with as well. Each section is going to be dripped out monthly. So for January, we are doing the Starburst Granny Square. The washcloth version of this pattern is free on my website, and you can go ahead and check that out now. You can crochet along in real time, month by month as we go along, or you can just jump in whenever you are able to or have the time. Nothing disappears, and there is no pressure to keep up. So I love running my crochet alongs in community. And this year, I'm running this crochet along inside the Crochet Collective, my membership community full of crocheters who just love mosaic crochet and trying new things. If this sounds like something you want to do, you can join the Crochet Collective today and have access to all the patterns that are already published. All of the patterns in there are ad-free. There is a community that you can post your questions and you can post your pictures, chat, get to know the other crocheters, get inspired by their designs, and also show off your work as well. Every month we have 2 different sip and stitches, and then I also go live in there to just give you updates. So that's called the Crochet Collective. There are links in the description, and there's also one up here somewhere. This crochet along is really about slowing down, taking off the pressure, and then just enjoying crocheting these squares, whether you're learning something new or picking up an old hobby. There's no pressure to pick the perfect colors. There's no pressure to buy the perfect yarn. Just use what you have in your stash and see what you come up with. Let's create something meaningful this year in 2026. Something that doesn't require a lot of stress and something we can just really be proud of. No pressure. I would absolutely love for you to join us. Please check all the links out for more information. Sign up for the newsletter, join the Crochet Collective, and I can't wait to get crocheting these squares with you. Happy crocheting. We'll see you next time.